how to join private server links on Roblox Mobile. Now, this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to look for your Roblox application and make sure that you have updated your Roblox. Okay, so once you're here on your Roblox account, all you have to do is to simply click this three dots at the bottom right corner. And then once you tap this three dots here, you just have to scroll down and look for groups. Okay, so once you tap groups, you just have to look for that specific group in which you can add yourself or you can join private server links. You just have to look for a group in which you can see the word join the group. So here you can see friends group. You just have to look for that group that has a button that says join group. Okay, tap this one. So that means you are allowed to join the group. Okay, so this group is a private group, but once you tap join, you just have to wait for the administrator to add you to their group. And that's how easy it is to join private server links on Roblox Mobile. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.